The market theme Nifty bulls desperately need a strong positive catalyst to regain lost momentum after Friday's sharp sell-off. Digging deeper, the benchmark Nifty 50 witnessed intense late-session selling pressure in Friday's trade, largely triggered by MSCI index rebalancing-related adjustments, which led to heavy institutional activity and heightened volatility towards the close. The silver lining is that such rebalancing-driven declines are often technical in nature rather than reflective of any deterioration in market fundamentals. Meanwhile, the key three negative catalysts. 1. A slightly below normal monsoon forecast. 2. FIIs dumped 55,964 crore rupees in May month. 3. The much-awaited ASEAN deal still awaits approval from Donald Trump. Bottom line, the benchmark Nifty 50 is likely to kickstart the new trading week and the new month on a cautious note. The Gyan Mantra, bullish momentum is likely to gather strength only above the psychological 24,000 mark on the Nifty. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's bearish session, FII sold to the tune of rupees 1106 crores while twos turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 16764 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest choppy and volatile consolidation. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 16.18 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, had slipped near 95.27 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.94. FIN Nifty PCR is at 1.27. Midcap Nifty is at 1.27. Nifty outlook volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,548. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,262 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,400 and 23,750. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Sensex, CMP 74,776. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,134 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,220 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,500 to 75,500. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,239. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,800 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,500 and 55,000. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Stock market news. Oil prices have slipped sharply towards the $87 per barrel mark amid rising optimism that the US and Iran could soon strike a diplomatic agreement around the Strait of Hormuz, suggesting that it may only be a matter of time before tensions cool further. Please note, oil prices had corrected more than 17% in May while still are up 52% YTD. Meanwhile, this week, the RBI policy on 5th June will be the key domestic trigger, with investors closely watching the central bank's stance on inflation, crude oil, liquidity, and the rupee. While rates are expected to remain unchanged, the policy commentary will be crucial. Globally, focus will be on U.S. non-farm payrolls and jobless claims data to be wired on 5th June, which could shape Fed rate expectations and influence bond yields, the dollar index, and FII flows. Stocks in spotlight. 1. AI stocks rally. AI-linked counters witnessed strong buying interest in Friday's trade after upbeat developments at Anthropic and strong earnings from Nvidia. Netweb Technologies India surged 13%, while Black Box and E2E networks also traded firmly higher. 2. PC Jeweler jumps. Shares of PC Jeweler soared up to 14% after the company reported a 61% YoY jump in Q4 net profit to 153 crore rupees.